Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in the process of doing some rope twists, and this is like medium-sized rope twists. I'm using expression number 30 and 1B. Those are my colors, and don't mind the mess in the back. It's all the process of getting me looking glammed and ready to do whatever excursion my days entails. So you know the rundown. You start with freshly washed. I didn't process my hair in the sense that I didn't have heat to it to dry it, a towel dry it overnight, and the regular products such as my Cantu leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair, Blue Magic oil, and I'm using Ultra Aqua hair gel wax, good old faithful Dr. Miracle. You gotta stay hydrated. I got my combs and brush and all the shebang, my mirror to look at the back of my head, and that's the process. I don't like the rubber band method because I don't know for what reason it likes to get tangled to my hair, so I'm not doing the rubber band method. However, this method works for me, and yeah, I love it. If you can see from this angle how beautiful the twists are and how luscious they are with the color on them. I decided to do color this time because I need a little color in my life to spruce it up. I like to change up my look. I recently did a video with the similar twist, so I'm like, it's summertime, I'm hot, I need something that I just can quickly style and go, so why not just do a different color to that same twist? So yeah, and this takes me like less than 2 hours because I'm focused. I already had before I came and started my hair, and yeah, so stay tuned to see what's going down. So guys, this is the process. I use my tail comb to part my hair the way I want it. So I'm gonna do a part. So I'm parting it. As you can see, it's not quite straight, so I'm gonna go back in, taking my time, and do it again. When that is done, when I find my part, make sure that I detangle it. I'm gonna add some oil to it, my Blue Magic, and I'm gonna make sure that the Blue Magic is in my scalp. Then I'm gonna hydrate it, make sure I lather it up real good. See? And now I'll proceed to getting my braids. So this is the front of my hair, so I'm gonna do, so this is number 30. Kind of look 27 on camera, so I'm not doing too much color now. So I'm just sectioning my hair. So I'm blending the colors together. Magic. Alright, so when I sectioned it, Make sure that all the fly away is out of the hair. I now proceed. Alright, so this is the front. So I'm gonna add just a little jam to my edges so it lays a little bit better. Alright, and then I go in. This also helps with the frizz because my hair is naturally frizzy. Twist over. And here we go. And that's how you do it. 2-strand twist. This is what, 48 inches. The black is 42 and the number 30 is 48, because that's the only one they had in the beauty supply store of the Expression brand. So I'm just gonna twist, and my method is to make a loop and then pull it through, and voila, I got me a braid. See? And on to the next. So let me show you. So this is gonna be 2. So I have my part, then I section my part. Let me get this excess out my way. Use my clip, pin it back, and then try to make you guys see. And I'm just sectioning my hair. Boom. Section. Now I'm just gonna use ear oil to grease my scalp, because when I washed it I didn't grease it. I went straight to sleep with wet hair. It was wrapped in my towel. So try overnight. So I'm doing both pieces of hair now, so when I get to the front part I don't have that task to do. And I'm just gonna get my jam, just a little bit, and I'm gonna apply that. And then some more jam. You want too much, but you want enough to make your hair look sleek. However, I didn't put it in the back because I realized that my hair was just too, I didn't want to put too much product in my hair. Alright, go for another clip, and this, I'm just gonna comb it out, section it, and then section my hair. Just a little. You know what? Let me go for a little bit more since I'm gradually going to the top. Alright, that's good right there. Guys, I'm so hot. I'm in the bathroom. So I'm hot. Because the lights in here are very hot. So the key is to put it in the center of the two strands, twist one strand, and then twist the other strand about 3 times, overlap them, and voila, you got magic. Wait. Let me redo this one. I don't like how the twist turned, so I'm gonna do it the opposite way. Hell no. I don't know what's going on with this. Twist needs to be secure. Alright. This happens sometimes. You can't rush it. You have to take your time. No, that's how I want it. It was a little bit more like that, and I want it like this. So I take the gel and I add it to the tips of my ends and on my hair to make it blend with the braid. And like how you see how I do this, I'm gonna come back and I'll show you how it's looking. All eyes on me, because I'm happy, you know, because I'm almost done. I only have the section left, and I'm grateful for life and all eyes on me. Guys, I'm happy that I'm about to be done, okay? No joke. I love to do this style because it's very easy for me to do, and it's a protective style, and it's easy when you're trying to style it, like you have job interviews or you're going on a road trip, you go to the beach or something. It's very easy. So you section it into 2, you put the braiding hair in between your hair and you twist it 3 times. That's how I do it. Twist this side 3 times, overlap it, twist it 2 more times to make sure it's secure, because you don't really want it to unravel. You want it to stay tight and neat. And of course, stuff be falling because you're trying to maneuver with one end. Well, I'm trying to maneuver with one end. And I think I'm gonna redo this because when I do it, I don't want it to look bulky. And sometimes you have to take out some braids. Sometimes, you know, it's just the hair is not smooth. So see my hair, look at it, it's bulky because stuff like this be sticking out. So I go in and I blend them, and sometimes you don't get it on the first go, the second go, the third go. You just have to try again, because you can be a professional makeup artist and still have a bad day. Hairstylist still have a bad day. So I got it. You can see how neat it is. That's how you want it to be. And just rope it down. If I was plaiting, it would have taken me a longer time. That's why I didn't plait it. But I love to do plaits as well. It's just depending on the time that I have and what I feel for in the moment. Because sometimes, to be honest, I really love to just wrap my natural hair, but because I'm so busy, I'm like, no, I need me a quick, protective, and easy to work with style. So this is how it looks. And I can't really show this side because the construction is going on. And all jokes aside, seriously, when you're doing this braiding here, to make it go faster, one of my major keys is to make sure that your hair is detangled and your braid is pre-stretched. When it's pre-stretched, you don't have to worry about sectioning and pre-stretching. Some people, professional hairstylists, know a lot about these things, and you don't need to be spending styles like this. We call it causing. I live in Florida, so I used to pay like $160. If you want it smaller, probably $200, and you're gonna be at the hairdresser for a very long time. You know, at home you have flexibility. If you're on vacation and you're trying to do this on vacation, you have flexibility. You don't have, you know, the restriction of being in a chair and sitting in a chair and waiting for somebody to come back after running their errands, or, you know, inconveniencing you. Or if you love that salon experience, kudos to you. Or if you have the privilege of getting someone to come to the house, that's a privilege that you shouldn't take lightly. But I learned to do my hair because my mom couldn't do hair. She could do big jumbo plaits and I didn't like them. And she put like bubbles, kitty bubbles, and I'm like, My style changes because in this moment, you see I'll be rocking a lot of braids. Probably next summer, you know, I'm doing like short, low wigs, short cut wigs, because I really love short hair and I want to cut my hair in a pixie cut. And everybody's like, your hair is so nice and luscious and healthy. Like, grow out your natural hair, and not like grow it out. Like, I have processed or anything. Processed chemicals, anything chemically involved with my hair. But they're like, just keep on growing it and keep on experimenting with styles, and just wear wigs if you want to do pixie hair to see how you like it. But I'm really feeling a shortcut, that Ollie Berry, Tony Braxton type of feel. I feel like as I get older, let me not say older, more mature to Shane. Like mommy to Shane is gonna be rocking some low cuts. These styles are like when you see me on vacation. See that? How beautiful that is? Look at that. And you have the flyaways, of course. You gotta use the scissors for that and hot water. But we're not there yet. So I'm gonna start tackling this side right here. And one thing I learned about myself is I can talk myself out of something and somebody else is like, girl, if you can do that, you can do that. I'm like, but that is different. And they're like, nope. And that motivation pushes me to do it. And it may not be good, but I work at it. I work even harder because I'm like, they believe in me, so I gotta believe in myself too. Because when I started doing hair, it wasn't looking good. I mean, I wore it through the day, but I mean, I was very good at my ponytails, making buns. I was a pro at that. Laying my hair with gel. I remember I used to have migraines because my bun was so tight, but it was neat though. My bun being neat. You think I'm a flight attendant or some corporate type worker, because when I have like career day and stuff at school, that's how I normally wrap my hair. And my two go-to styles are in a bun or half up or half down. And I'm gonna do a video on that coming soon, my half up half down hair, because I tell you, I would wash my hair like this and cornrow the back, you know, and I put the Marley braid or the Marley jumbo twist and unravel it to put it in the back, crochet that in, and I do a bun with it up top, or I can do let it down. So cute. Lay my edges and some hoops, and your girl is good for a week. Your girl is good for a week. I'll be talking and talking. Let me speed this up. The final one. It's like a bliss effect right now. It's the final countdown. It's a bliss effect. Feels so good. I'm telling you, I am happy. The journey has come to this. But I still gotta trim it up, and I still have to, I think I'm gonna put some jewelry in it. What it looks like, fresh face. This is the parting, the design. This is up close. The next side. Look at them twists.